How you coming? 2000 on some Ricks, I just stepped on a nigga. Bitch, I just hit another with a lick, I just fucked up another shit. I step out and my shit hit. I got a nigga life sitting on my neck. Diamonds in different colors, told the corner. Came from the gutter, slime with my brother. I'm back on the road with them things, I'm back in the club with the gang. I spent at least $1 on a chain. Go, you pushing and shit and you slang. Get equipped to the game is dangerous. I feel different breed, never not the same. You been holding me down the drain. Every day I take it up another notch. I'm in the studio, maintain. Go outside your head with a bang. Don't be bloodshed about the things we believe in. Going gas chain. Ain't no chopping it up with the goof. Niggas running you down out the roof. Had to constantly get in the booth. Keep these words, ain't that much truth. Keep it quiet. They done always tried deceiving me. But these bitches ain't leaving me. Did what it needed to be. Cut a hoe off, I did it immediately. Ain't no defeating me. Take all these bitches, ain't no defeating me. New fettuccine, just order some more. New Lamborghinis. You must forgot the 56 nights for this better than some Geico. Big 4 Magga, big toe tagger. Put on Nick Jagger. You must have forgot who had her before you had her. Put on had her. There's no need to go through the data. My new bitch is better. I seen this shit. Before you go public, tell nigga take up the budget. A cup of that money, you're back on that money, you're back on the dirty. Bitch, you could've never loved me. About to make you feel the wrath. Take it taller than giraffe. Ski. Make you do what it posted to just put the ham nails on it. Spin a 50 on that crib, I got another big year coming. Crank it up and I spin gears on it. Where you going? Hustle like I was back on the front street. Do this shit in a whole nother country. I been nigga to get back on it, pull the lean before I even drop the tape. Supposed to be intoxicated, I feel like I'm supposed to be intoxicated. How I feel this is stuck up with Hyundai. Sippin' having my way with the money, young. I got at it and went on a run. Another man I can get what you run done. Fuck all these hoes I'm seeing. Go tell that little rat who winning. Niggas know they can't come to the trench. Niggas know I'm still running this shit. Hey, gang. I press a button, it's a back door. I press a button, niggas cut throats. I press a button, helmet, gun smoke. I came in the game with a gun on my back and I'm falling off. What you say? Got kingpins, they be counting on me just to keep it raw. These little hitters, they all depend on me cause they still can come. They see what I conquered from grinding and winning the national. I press a button, it's a back door. I press a button, niggas cutting throats. I press a button, helmet, gun smoke. I press a button, it's a back door.